Yes, sir. We back again. About to get it cracking. Once again, I'm gonna get in that freezer and start cooking some of this meat. All these deals I done ran up on in the grocery store. So, part 2, freezer clean out. Let's get it. So today, we're going regular old school grill. So, what we're gonna do, we got these coals lit. Once they calm down, we're gonna move that whole bevel over and drop it in the smoker slash griller. And we old school barbecue today. We got a whole chicken. I'm gonna cut it in half, and then I got a slab of baby backs. I got a pork butt roast. I got some chicken wings, and then I grabbed one thing of kielbasa sausage. I'm gonna throw that on there too. We're gonna make some fried potatoes and onions and some green peas. So that's how it's going down this evening. We're watching college football, chilling out. Let's go. So this is what we got going on. Got everything I need out here. Got that quadruple blend with the teriyaki, soy sauce, W sauce, and that liquid smoke. All of those go in with my sauce at the same time together when I make my barbecue sauce. I got that pork butt right there. I got these chicken wings, slab of baby backs and that whole chicken. And then I got my sausage there, my potatoes and onions, my peas, and this is that Cajun hot blend, Slap Your Mama. I've seen that on Amazon before, and I've seen people using it in other videos, but I've never seen it in the store. I found it today at my Giant Eagle, so we're gonna have us a Cajun hot barbecue chicken. And then these are the ingredients that I'm gonna need for everything to come together today. And that's how it's going down. Now, one thing I'm gonna do different today, since I'm regular barbecuing, this is a different style that you can do. Ain't no rules when it comes to cooking. You can do it how you want to do it. So what I'm going to do, I got my oven on 400, and I'm going to put these ribs in the oven for a little while first with that quadruple blend of sauces there and some seasonings. And I'm gonna let them boil in the oven for a while. And then I'll pop them out and throw them on the grill, finish them off, get that charcoal flavor up in them, and then sauce them out there. So, you know, it's different ways that you can do things. It's preference. You can do it however you want to do it. So I'm rolling with the new Slap Your Mama. These are my ribs. I gotta get my ribs in the oven and then season everything else and get it out on the grill. So that's that new Slap Your Mama. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Black pepper. Hit it with the cooking spray. Flip it over. Same thing. I'm gonna add that quadruple blend before I put that foil over it and put it in the oven. All right, so let's see, we on a little under 350. Regular grilling out here, that's all flavor in the air. Let's see, I just got all this stuff out here, but I got my whole chicken, it came with them giblets, so I got them giblets in here, my sausage, and we laced it with wings. You see how I got everything in a circle like that? That keep it away from that direct heat, you know, kind of an offset cook. But still, we not smoking it, we still grilling. But we want everything to cook well. We don't want to just burn it. So that's how I do that. You know what I'm saying? But as you can see, that pork roast, when you get them deals like that, you really need to cook it that day or else freeze it. That was in the freezer. Like I said, I'm cleaning out the freezer, but sometimes even that can't save it. So when I busted that pack, I could smell it straight in the trash. That's what we do. So I'm gonna continue to let this stuff cook right now before I do any flips. Everything's looking good though, I'm happy with it. The way I seasoned all of this is exactly the same way that I did those ribs with the quadruple blend, all of that. I did everything the same and then brought it out here to go on the grill. When I am almost done cooking all of this, that's when I'll come out here and I'll put those ribs on here and get that char and flavor, and then I'll sauce them up and let them cook for a little while. Just one of the different ways that I can make some ribs, and now you can too. So I open up the smoker side right here, and then I toss my wood right in through there. So I just threw 2 more hickory blocks in there. Now I'm gonna close this lid and let everything keep going. Get that flavor up in there. All right, so I got my ribs out the oven. They was in there for about an hour and a half, hour and 45. They looking good, looking like they're gonna fall off the bone. But now we're gonna take them out and put them on the grill. But now I got my sides going. What I did here, same as always, but I did some seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and some margarine. I did the same thing here. I got some corn in here. So now I'm gonna make my sauce. So I got my barbecue, put that in there. Whole bottle. I'm gonna take some Italian dressing. Matter of fact, put my Italian dressing. Squeeze it right into that bottle. Then I'll put the lid back on. Shake it up. That way I can get the rest of that barbecue sauce out the bottom. Put it right in there. Just like that. Then I take soy sauce. Nice little squirt of that in there. A W sauce. Couple few shakes of that in there. Teriyaki sauce. Shake that a little bit. A little less than the other two. And I take my liquid smoke. Squirt that in there like that. And my little baby whisk. And mix that up. Alright, so I got everything sauced up. Right, so I got everything sauced up on the grill. And I got it flipped, sauced on both sides. I'm heating up my grease now for my potatoes and onions. And once those get done, all we gotta do is eat. Got them potatoes and onions frying. They looking good. Other side, so everything's ready. So I'm gonna go out here and I'm about to get everything else off the grill, bring it in here and stick it in the oven. And just wait on these potatoes and onions to get done so we can eat. Potatoes and onions looking good. We got all the meat off the grill now. Got the ribs back there. That sausage, that chicken. I'm gonna stick this in the oven real quick. So this is the end result. That's what you'll get. You got those fried potatoes and onions. Your green peas. I gave my wife some corn. She got a rib, wing, and her sausage. I got a couple pieces of sausage, wing, and some ribs as well. That's the way it's going down. I appreciate everybody watching. Until we meet again, peace.